Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we have a collaboration and it's called This Is My Thing. And that's hosted by Yetra Khreacioness. I hope I said her name right. And now the co-hostesses are Kiki DIYs, Daysi DIY, Deborah Cabassa, and Cari T. So in this video today, I decided to make a Glam vase DIY with items that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. We are making this in a cobalt blue, and I'm really excited about the outcome of this vase, and I hope you are too. So let's jump right into it, guys. So what I'll be doing is linking the host, Yetra Khreacioness, and the co-hostesses down below in the description box, along with their channels and also the playlist. So make sure and head on over there, subscribe to everyone's channel, full watch the videos, and just enjoy. So let's get into it. So remember that all the items that I'm using to create this craft will be listed in the description box below. see me adding some iridescent glitter. I don't know why, but I decided to do that, and I think this made the vase look a little bit more glam, so it stepped it up a notch. Okay, so isn't that vase looking beautiful right now? I'm absolutely loving it. And so now we're going to start with the embellishing. So as you can see, I started with the stickers that I got from the Dollar Tree in the cobalt blue. Now that rose mesh I did order on Amazon. You're going to see the design on the vase that has like a swirl on it. I decided to go back and swirl after the vase was dry in a swirling motion, and then go ahead and add a little bit more of the cobalt blue because I added too much of the iridescent glitter. So in playing with it, I think the vase came out absolutely gorgeous. So we're going to be embellishing now, and then we're going to glue the pieces together. So after we applied the rose mesh, I did it in the front and in the back. Then I decided to fill in the neck of that vase, the rest of it, with loose gems. And that's what I'm doing right here. Isn't this absolutely beautiful? So now we're going to be starting the gluing process. So you're going to get your favorite adhesive. I'm using a permanent adhesive, and remember when using one that you need to be in a ventilated area. So we are going to wipe it down, and then we are going to be gluing it with this permanent adhesive. Then we have to let that sit for about 24 to 48 hours so that there's no problem at all with this curing.